So I screwed up one of the holes on the top and it's off center. So I got 4 out of 5, 80% right. And it's off by just a little bit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to plug the hole using a dowel. This is my test hole. I'm going to drill it out. This is 1/2 inch. I'm going to go bigger than the actual hole. That way it'll have, if I drill out 75% of it, it'll still have some meat that's holding on to. I'm going to drill this out test fit with a 7/16 so that it gets a nice tight fit. I'll rough this up with some sandpaper and we'll test it and then we'll do it over there. Alright, so the 7/16 is just too tight. I'll go up to a 1/2. Afraid the 1/2 is going to be too big. Alright, so that's what I'm going to do. 1/2 inch fits in there, snug enough. Ooh, that's not even the end I sanded. Yeah, so that'll go all the way through if I needed it to. I don't want it to. So I'll put in the unsanded in that. I'll glue it, let it dry, cut it off, and then fix it. Yes, I know I could turn the clutch up. There, now we'll let that dry. So here's the bottom of my dowel. I'm going to use a flush cut saw, which is very, very flexible. Highly recommend. These things are tons of fun. It's a flush cut pole saw. I think I got this one at Harbor Freight about 15 years ago or so. There's all over Amazon, and they're great fun, and they're very, very helpful. So this is a prime example of what you can do. This is proud by a little bit more than the blade, so maybe 1/8 of an inch. And what I'll do is I'll just trim this off. And yes, there's a mechanical tool to do this too, multi-tool. See how flexible it is? Now I've got super flush. Hit that with the sander. There's a little bit of teeth marks, mostly in the glue, but I'll sand that down. It'll be good. I'll do the other side. So there's the oopsie hole that I plugged with a dowel, and there's the correct location, and you can see that it's gonna eat the edge of the dowel, so the larger dowel was a good choice. There's the replacement hole. So to wrap up, drill your mistake hole out to the next larger size dowel that you can acquire, either purchase, make, or that you already have on hand. It doesn't have to be a dowel. It can be square, it can be trapezoidal, you could do like a dovetail type fit, you could do a key hole, an hourglass, any type of other shape, but a dowel is a very easy fix. And then just glue the dowel into the hole, let it dry, and then flush cut both sides and sand it down. Flush cutting it you can do a number of ways. I used a pole saw, which is very flexible and allows for a nice even cut. You can use a multi-tool that is a mechanical saw, that like a bone saw, that moves back and forth and makes for a nice easy cut. You just have to be careful with those so that you don't have any teeth marks from the saw blade into your surface area. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it.
Too many hobbies, not enough time.
It's a theme song, y'all.